I recently picked up this 12-volt Dewalt set for $40 at a garage sale. Today we're going to be looking at this screwdriver. Are these older 12-volt Dewalt tools still relevant? Let's find out. Like I said, I got this set at a garage sale for $40. It came with 2 batteries, the charger, a screwdriver, and the impact driver. These tools are a bit older, dating back to 2012. These tools retail for $100 each. In this video, we'll be talking about the Dewalt DCF610 cordless screwdriver. This is in their 12-volt lineup, and Dewalt has since released a newer version, but today we're going to be looking at the older version to see how it still stacks up. This little screwdriver is a handy tool to have whether you are assembling furniture, working on electrical installation, or tackling various home improvement projects. With the addition of the 1/4-inch quick insert collet, it makes changing out and inserting bits very easy. This screwdriver has a clutch just like a drill. Basically, you have a drill with a 1/4-inch quick insert collet. Using the clutch is very helpful when you want to drive screws to help prevent you from stripping out the head or to help prevent over-tightening or over-driving your screw. Although you can drill with this using a 1/4-inch shanked drill bit, there is no drill chuck, so you cannot use round bits. This tool has 3 fairly bright LEDs on the front of the tool that illuminate the workspace quite effectively. Because this is a 12-volt tool, it's very light and comfortable to hold, as it's much more compact than the 20-volt tools. I have been using this tool to do my engine repairs, and I've definitely appreciated that fact. It also fits in tight spaces much easier. In this kit, I got 2 12-volt 1.5 amp hour batteries. These are very compact and very lightweight, and I really like how the latch mechanism works on this system. This charger is a 12-volt only fast charger. This charger is actually a relatively nice charger, and of course has the LED indicator light. Now let's go outside and see how this tool performs. Let's see how it handles these 2.5-inch construction screws. I do apologize, the first one stripped out. I did not drill a pilot hole, so this is going through the straight raw wood. And this really isn't even what this tool is designed for. So if you're planning on driving a lot of bigger screws, I would definitely recommend an impact driver. This screwdriver is aimed more for assembly work. The DCF610 can drill up to a 3/8-inch hole, stated in the user manual. Let's see how it handles drilling a 3/4-inch hole. It does struggle a little bit, but if you had to, you could drill a 3/4-inch hole. Here's the maximum drilling size that Dewalt recommends. Seems to go through it just fine. Again, this tool is optimized mainly for assembly work. Pushing the limits quite a bit with a 1.5-inch spade bit. And the 1.5 amp hour 12-volt batteries do drain fairly quickly if you do a lot of drilling, so I have to go replace my battery pack. It's definitely struggling a lot on this 1.5-inch bit. In a pickle you could do it, but I don't recommend drilling bigger holes with this tool. The motor is also getting pretty warm. The motor can spin between 0 and 1050 RPM. The 1/4 inch collet can even accept 1 inch bits, and the tool is very light at 2.2 pounds. The Dewalt DCF610, I think it's still a viable option in 2023. If you work with electrical installation, assemble furniture, or just want a trusty little screwdriver for your DIY projects, then look no farther than the Dewalt DCF610.